Missed connecting with your customers on time? Still managing communications manually and facing delays, errors, and missed opportunities? Introducing ZöTok. Managing your communications is super simple. Log into your ZöTok account, click on Channels and sync your WhatsApp groups directly. Select the channel you want to communicate with. Add or remove customers from the channel easily. Click on the plus icon to send prices to your targeted customer group. Send schemes, custom messages using default templates and images, texts, and videos with one click. It's that simple. Benefits of managing communications with ZöTok: instant messaging, targeted communication, and improved sales. With ZöTok, targeted communication ensures the right message reaches the right audience at the right time, saving time and effort while enhancing customer engagement. Contact us today to learn more.